Hendrungot kirunar kibla dan ketiban kendang bat perangtu ika mekler bral bang ramrai kibla jah ka step arpoi trek mentau benai kila syakem no aki pulit kanang stoin hadin blalap iki saki sabut babiang bakila dan ketiban le ika teka kam usperdan no polis ka west castles ba HG lungdo loang bagi kirunar bla syakem ki kentup yo loran dakhar na ti saw nong stoin oras lengkoi na maurang ramrai uplendars em na diskiang ramrai utaipul flut na nongrem oporni nong stoin Laurentius Carbani na nong stoin bat crossland lengkoi Katkum ka jing jor jung tu branch manager jung te bang laong bagi runar kila penpat chuai ka kherdap ban rung syaplau bahdin kila penpat sai ka jingkhang bat rung apo bang hadin kila rung abang kita runar kila penpat i kor CCTV bala pendat kerpang hagi jika sai pisa bagi sedang ban khura bat penpat ru extra room henry kem shimlala satya Hadin katai kirunar belara rangkat gitiar pemsau kila temu ban penpat se jingkhang basa branch manager jong te bang kepada nasenda henry shop kin penpat utai branch manager ul halla briuno ba kiti kirunar kila pet bak na kati jaka ya kiti ginrungot lara no shor nongstein police station na bantaban penlong ye chingtok ket kebabnia
On 21/10/2021 at around 3:30 in the morning we received reliable information that some unknown miscreants have broken open the bank Meghalaya Rural Bank at Rambrai, and they were trying to commit a robbery. Immediately on receipt of this information, we have immediately sent OC Nongstani to proceed to the spot and to inform the Sardar there. The Sardar was informed, and immediately he, along with some of his villagers there, they have gone to the bank, and by then these burglars, they have already left the area, and our police team managed to apprehend them at Mauli village. So 6 people, at first 4 robbers along with the driver was arrested. Subsequently, we went again to the PO, and from CCTV camera footage, we found that another person was there who we managed to apprehend. So total we have arrested 6 people in this regard. The thieves, they tried to loot the bank. They cut the grill and they cut the lock and they entered the bank. They have destroyed the CCTV camera, computer there, but they tried to open the safe, but they could not. They were not successful. By then, when the alarm has already been raised, they've all left the scene, and it was then that our police team rushed and managed to apprehend them. As of now, investigation is on. We have registered a case, and we'll look into the matter. One is Shri Plums Em, another one is Shri Loren Lahar, then Shri Laurentius Carbani, Shri Ores Lingkhoi, Shri Tiful Pelut. These were arrested. 6th person we arrested was Tara Singh Nongri. Mostly they are from that area only. And one of them is a known cattle lifter also. So these are, we don't suspect any organized gang or anything. These are lumpen elements who just got together. So I'm sure that with further investigation, we will be able to charge in this case soon.